Join me today in checking out this short line, the Albany and Eastern Railroad. We are right about here in the state of Oregon.
Welcome to Oregon.
The Albany and Eastern Railroad operates on about 64 miles of track, and the main line runs from Albany to Lebanon with 2 branch lines. It also connects to Union Pacific and BNSF. Freight service makes up most of the business. However, they also do switching, railcar maintenance, and track construction. Established in 2014, seasonal passenger excursions are offered using historic steam and vintage diesel locomotives. Wow, look! Hazelnuts! All the way from Oregon! Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.